Hi there, and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to add line breaks on Instagram in your post captions, because for some reason on Reels you can do it in the app itself, but this tutorial is going to cover how you can add those spaces or line breaks in your post captions as well. So let's get started. If you're new to this channel, my name is Yoka. I'm the founder of Unbound Creative Agency, where we help entrepreneurs launch and scale their lead generating personal brands. And in this video, I'm just going to quickly show you how you can add line breaks to your Instagram captions. So let's get to it. Now, I don't know why, but on Instagram, for some reason, when you're posting Instagram Reels, there's no issue. You can actually add the spaces and the line breaks to your captions in the app itself. But for some reason on your normal Instagram post, or if you're posting a carousel or just a feed post, it still isn't possible. Instagram, fix it, because this has been an issue for so long. Nevertheless, there are a couple of workarounds to get those spaces into your captions. So let me show you how. So the first method is to use a separate website that will allow you to create those spaces. So what I do is I prep my captions in my notes, or sometimes I do it on my computer, and then I use a Google Doc and I write them how I would want them to appear on Instagram. So spaces included and emojis included. Now, once you've done that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna select all, and then we're going to say copy, and then we're going to go to either Safari or Google Chrome, and what you're going to do is you're going to go to insta.space.org. And then you're simply gonna scroll down until it says, please put your text here, which is what we're gonna do. And we're gonna paste our caption. And then we're just gonna click on convert it. And below you can see your formatted text, which pretty much looks the same as the one that you've already copied in there, but now it will have the spaces once you post it on Instagram, because sometimes that also happens. You prep it in a Word document, you copy paste it into Instagram, and then all of a sudden all those line breaks are gone. So if you copy this formatted text, it will actually keep those spaces in there once you post it on Instagram. So then what you do is you go to Instagram and you click on create a post. I saved a lot of nail art because I got my nails done yesterday. Anyhow, I'm not going to actually post it, but I'm just going to show you. So you go next and next. And then what you do is you simply copy paste the caption in here, and it says Instagram paste it from Chrome. There you go. And now if you post that to Instagram, it will still have the line breaks in there, and it will look all neat and pretty. So another way to go is by using scheduling tools. So we at the agency use Buffer for all our social media scheduling, and when you type a caption into Buffer directly, it will also create those spaces in your Instagram captions. And I've heard from other social media managers that when you use a tool such as Later, it does the same thing for you. So sometimes that can be a workaround as well. So instead of posting directly through Instagram, just create a free Buffer profile, connect your Instagram to it, and whenever you want to post something on Instagram, do it through Buffer, because you can use it as a scheduling tool, but you can also simply post immediately when you use Buffer, and then type your captions in there, and then that will give you the line breaks and the spacing as well. So that is a second solution to those line breaks. Honestly, still don't understand why on Instagram Reels it isn't an issue. You can just type your caption, you can do the line breaks, but for some reason on regular posts it still doesn't work. So again, Instagram, hopefully they fix it soon, because we've been using these workarounds for years now. It would be nice if we could just do it in the app itself. For now, I hope this helps you. Let me know what other videos you want us to make in the comments down below. And then in the meantime, check out these videos over here, and then I will see you soon.